Alright guys, so the next section, which that first one was 1, this one is 2, believe it or not, right after 1, is going to be write the electron configurations for each of the following elements. And it says how many unpaired electrons does each possess. For now, don't worry about this part. Don't worry about that part. Alright? Don't worry about it. We're just going to do these, I'll just do maybe the first 5 maybe. And then these will be on your own. So you get your own thing to do independently. But I'll just show you how to do these to give you an idea how to do those. And then we'll just keep on going through it. Okay, so for this, you're going to need the diagonal rule sheet. And then also a periodic table. Okay. This one's going to be more important, but you do need this one just for reference. Okay, so the first one says magnesium. Okay, so first thing you want to do is look at your periodic table and look at the atomic number, which is 12. Can't see that, 12. So then you know you have 12 electrons you have to take care of. You don't have to write that, but it might help as a reference. And then you just go through the diagonal rule, filling in the orbitals with your 12 electrons until you're done. So the first one is going to be 1s, and that one can hold 2 if you remember from our last section. So 2. Okay, next we have 2s. So then you put 2s, and then we know that one holds 2, like that one. Fill that in. And then here, 2p. Remember that one holds 6, the p holds 6, so we have 6. Let's just do a quick recap. Let's see how many electrons we used up. 2, 4, and then once we do that, plus 6 is going to be 10. So we still have 2 more. And then, look at that, we're going to go to 3s2, and that's it. We're going to be done for that one. That is the answer for that one. All right, next. Let's go B, nickel. Nickel has an atomic number, 28. Okay, so same thing. You just go through filling that in. One thing that might be helpful is now, okay, we just have 12 up here, so we can fill that in if you want, but I don't want to confuse anyone. So 1s2, all right, next. 2s2, 2p, and we know 6, and 3s. All right. Now we have 3p, 3p, and that is another 6. All right. You might want to maybe really quick recap how many you got. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 6 is 10, plus another 2 is 12, plus another 6, 18. Okay. So we just at 3p, go to 4s. All right. It's going to get us to 20. Next, 3d. The d can hold 10, right? But we don't need to fill 10, we just need to do 8, because 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 6 is 10, plus 2 is 12, plus 6 is 18, plus 2 is 20. And I want to get to 28. Boom, 28. So that one's done also. All right, and look at that, we're just cruising. So now, let's go to C. C is potassium. Over here. Got me. 19. Okay, and you could kind of look back at the other ones as a reference. All right, but so 1s2, 2s2. Make sure you can see. 2p6 here. 3s2. 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 6 is 10, plus 2 is 12. So we're going to be here. Right. 3p, and we can fill that in to get 18, and then 4s1 to get us to 19. All right. Keep on going. Almost finished this section. There's cobalt. Get your periodic table, cobalt 27. Okay, one thing I'll show you here, and you should be able to maybe intuitively know or see what's going on. We have 27 electrons here. We have 28 electrons here. I can pretty much just copy this entire thing and then just know to take down one more right here. Okay? So, when I do that, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, and then once I get here, I'll do 3d7. Look at that. Oh, next is boron. Super easy. It's probably called that because it's so boring, right? Okay. So next, boron 5. Well, we'll go 1s, 1s2, 2s2. That brings us to 4. We should need one more. 2p1. And that is it for that one. I'll put 5 electrons there. All right. That is it for that section. You still need to do those, but I won't show you that for this video.